at Fred's house and chill with a big homie Fred. I got him a new race team shirt that I finally started stocking 3X and 4X. So if you're a big homie, I got you, Playboy. I now stock 3X and 4X of clothing. Well, jackets soon forward and sweatshorts soon forward. But shirts, every release from now on will have 3X and 4X. So if you're a big homie, support your little homie. Man, them girls eat hot Cheetos. God damn. Who can eat hot Cheetos at a time like this? Who can do it? Camera bag, you guys can probably see. Oh, there you go. And we're gonna be shooting some pictures, probably some product shots with the 4X shirt so I can post it. And yeah, that's what's going on for today. We'll see what else we get into it. Today is Wednesday. You guys are probably watching this on a Thursday after my surgery. Oh God, that's gonna suck ass. Fred's house.
You know Carlton?
That is a 4X, my brother. I started stocking big homie sizes.
By the time you start caring about the bigger persons.
I know. I need you to wear it so I can take some product shots.
Oh, me? This time is not pretty, bro.
Yeah, all I gotta do is take the back. I ain't gotta get your face in there.
This is gonna be a wide back. This bitch gonna be curved right on that.
God damn. This shit fresh though.
It's a good ass show, bro.
What show you watching? True Story?
With Kevin Hart, bro.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch that. Don't tell me yet. I gotta watch it. God damn. 1 camera there, 2 camera there, 7 camera there. Another mount. That boy finna go racing.
Damn son.
That's it, bro. Man, what a sight for sore eyes, brother. Man, this car is so beautiful, bro. I need to clean the wheels. The back wheels are fresh. Front wheels need to be cleaned. You not afraid to catch on fire?
Nah, bro. The wife beater. How many wife beaters got away? How many niggas beat their wife and got away with it? Wearing that same wife.
That's wild. It's called a wife beater. I thought it was called a white beater. They call them wife beaters.
That's what I thought it was called too.
A white beater. Hey, let me get a white beater, bruh. Nah.
You don't believe all this shit alone, but come on.
So right now we're about to go somewhere. I gotta probably pull up on Randy, but I want to get some product shots done, some pictures of Fred's car, maybe my car too. I ain't cleaned my car though, but y'all know the vibes. I did clean the wheels. They clean, so that's something. Now you take some pictures, follow along for this journey. And yeah, got my camera bag, and I gotta make sure that oh, look at me and my boo boo, that my fuel. So we're at the Lowe's parking lot, where I'm gonna shoot some pictures, and yeah, so that's what's going on. My car is dead ass on E, so I gotta get some gas ASAP, bro. I'll be stranded. I ain't got no gas tanks with me, so that's not fun, but let's get some shooting done. Got some pictures of Freddie Bunbread's EG Coupe.
60,000 right now, y'all.
$60,000?
60 bands.
$60,000 you can have Fred's Turbo K20, fully built Turbo K20A.
Ain't nobody paying no $60,000 for no Civic, man.
You never know.
Want it.
I never pay 60 grand for a Civic unless it's a.
Probably got more than that in it.
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, the thing is come fully equipped. How much would y'all say this car is priced at? In today's market, bro, stock case swap cars are going for like 12 grand,
Bro.
15 grand.
15, 20.
Yeah. So you could asking for your price is not too far off, bro. I'll never sell my car. My Integra gonna be with me till the very end. She needs some paint work redone though. I need new bumper. That's clapped out. The fender doesn't even hold on a bumper no more. Ugh. But it's my baby though. This is my baby. Who?
A small camera dog compared to your big camera, bro.
Wow, I don't even got my microphone on. God damn it. Wow. Now I got the microphone back on, so the audio should sound much better. Yeah. Fred's selling his car for 60. I'm selling mine for 20.
Car, bro.
I need 20 grand, and I'll sell mine.
Cap, bro. Straight cap.
So if somebody came to your house right now with $60,000 cash, you ain't gonna sell it?
Different. And maybe if I see the money, alright.
What you gonna buy with 60 grand? You can buy a lot. You can buy R33 GTR.
Nah, I'll invest in.
What you gonna invest in?
I don't know. I'll see what's popping at the moment.
Subway.
You know, eat first.
Yeah, bro. I'm investing into a Subway, a Popeyes, Buffalo Wild Wings, a Miller's Ale House. Y'all probably call them draft houses where y'all live, but yeah. Bro, this man got a full-blown fishing pole on this shit. That shit fresh though. I can't wait to see this vlog.
I gotta see how I'm gonna edit that video, bro.
Put them all three together.
I'll probably do like one scene here, then a cut.
Yeah.
And a cut to a different.
That's how most people do it.
A different scene, but the same scene or a different angle. I don't know.
That's how most people do it.
I'll play around with it.
That gonna look fresh.
Hopefully it wasn't bouncing.
This camera is amazing. I cannot get enough of that stop tech. Look how big that thing is, bro. Pause. Covers up the whole wheel. All right, let's go get some gas, or hopefully see if we can get some gas. Outside! 3% left of fuel. I hope I make it. Pray for me, but it's a beautiful day out right now. It's beautiful. I made it. I made it, boys. Bro, E85 is $3.82. What happened? 93 is only $3.92. What the fuck? This is insane, bro. That's a whole ass right there, bro. 382. Well, baby got it. You know what I mean? She got a drink. She got a drink. God, regular, bro. That's sad, bro. This is insane. Insane. Flaw, bruh. You flaw. And I gotta go 12 more. Bruh, this is, bruh. What the fuck? 382, my G? That's almost $4 for some E80. Bruh. I can't. Bruh. He lucky it's a beautiful day outside, bruh. That's beautiful. Look outside. It's so nice outside, dog. But my G, 382, dog. This is insane. No words, bro. Insane. I just paid $45 to fill up my car on E85. $45, bro. Oh, what the? I'm sad as hell.